Hello, hi. This is your girl Josy. I hope everybody is doing very well. Super excited today because today is an independent day for my country, Ghana. We had an independence from the British colony in 6th March 1957. So we are 67 years old since we had our independence from the British colony. So today I want to say Happy Independence Day to all Ghanaians. If you are not a Ghanaian, join me and let's celebrate. We are going to do our savings challenge for the low income that we are doing. And today we're going to do 2 of them. So keep watching. Hello, once more. Hi, friends. Yeah, today I'm so excited because it's an independent day for Ghana and we are going to do our challenges. And the low income challenge, we want to wrap it up, finish it quick. So today I'm doing 2 of them. Before I continue, let me tell you the motivational message for today. I love it, and it goes along with our independence. So why not? You say, count your blessings. I count my blessings every day. So far as I wake up, I'm alive. That's the blessing number 1. Then when I breathe in, breathe out, that's blessing number 2. It's a lot for me. For my blessings, it's a lot. Let me tell you one more blessings I count. When I see the kids waking up and nobody was sick, that's blessing number 3. A lot of when I see my husband waking up laughing, singing gospel song, blessing number 4. I can't stop counting my blessing. Oh, one more. When I see my mom waking up, that's blessing number I can't count. A lot of blessings. So I count my blessings every day. So count your blessings as well, and it will make you be blessed. That's why I like the word blessing. Simply blessed. I'm already blessed. It's not, there's nothing about it. Nobody can stop that blessing because I am blessed. And the blessing that I have it from my God Almighty. Don't let me preach today. Okay, so today I have my colors here. And the colors that I'm going to use is red, yellow, black, and green. That's the colors for Ghana flag, which I'll leave it on the screen. Super excited because it's our independent day, so why not? Why not show you this? So these are our 4 colors. Our colors come with red, yellow, green, and we have the black as the star. And today we're going to use these 4 colors to color our savings challenge. Let's count the money as well. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's $18 that we are going to do today. And let me bring my challenge. So this is the challenge we are doing. Motivational savings challenge. And let's open it up. We are here. Let me bring this on the side then so that you guys can see. So today we're going to do, so I'll do red and yellow, then I'll do black and green. Oh, let me tell you one more blessings. Count your blessings. One more blessing is when I wake up and I have some orders in my shop. That's another blessing. So thanks for everybody who has been ordering from my shop. I still have some of the 100 envelope savings challenge, just a few of them. So if you want to customize, get along, get into my site and order, because we are going to start the 100 envelope savings challenge very soon. I'm also having this in my shop, so in case anybody want to get it, that's also there. And I also have some of the wallet. I only have black and white for now. If you want to get it, it's running out. I have it in A6, A7, and the A7 I have two types. I have the one that come with a V shape, and I have the regular one, the A7 of this kind. So jump in and go order. Very affordable, trust me. Okay, now let's dive into the video. So today we're going to do two of them. We are doing start now, and I can do this. So for start now, I'll use two colors, I said. So I'm using yellow. So, I don't think you guys can see. Each letter is $1. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's gonna be $8. Let's make sure we make use of our colors. $8. So I'm gonna do red. I hope everybody is doing very well. And happy Independence Day to all Ghanaians. I remember when I was young, we used to go to a big park and we will march, and it was so nice. Like every school has people there to march, and it was really nice, like a gathering, a big gathering, and really, really nice. I remember those times because it's a sit march, and that day was like kind of like an holiday for us, and we go to the big park and everybody's there to look at us. If you are not selected to march, it's just so sad. You get sad and like, oh, why didn't I was selected? When I was young, I used to cry that I wasn't. If they don't select me, I'll cry. Those times. Okay. Then I'm using the yellow one. Yellow is my favorite color, but at times it's so hard to get stuff in yellow. It's not a common color. So anytime, I always tell people that when I get money, I'm gonna get a car and I'll let them paint it yellow. So that it will be different from everybody's. And we have $8, so let's do $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's $8. Then let's do this one. This one I'm gonna use black and green. So each letter is $1. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's gonna be $10. Okay, so let me start with the green. Are you counting your blessings today? Go ahead and do so. It makes you appreciate the stuff around you, the things you've done when you count your blessings. I count my blessings every single day. I open my mouth and I'm like, oh, I'm blessed because this thing come on my way. I wake up this morning breathing. I wake up this morning seeing the kids going to school without me calling sick. I didn't wake up at the night to go to emergency room. Such a blessing. So I'm counting all the blessings. I wake up alive. Having life is, I can't tell you guys. So count your blessing every day. It makes you grateful. It makes you appreciate life. So count your blessings. There's a song, count your blessings one by one and see what God has done. Count your blessings by one and see what a God has done. That's true. If you count your blessings, see what God has done in your life. Okay, so I can do this, and that one is $10. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's $10 going here. So God willing, Monday we're gonna do, let me switch it around. Okay, so God willing, Monday we will do Don't Stop Until You Are Proud, and Stop Dreaming and Start Doing. Those are the two we're gonna do. Then we will do the rest probably. Then Wednesday, then Monday again. So we are almost done. I can't wait to get it done. Then we will count the money. Okay, so let's see what we've done so far, so that people will drop the amount into their savings challenge with a smile. It was $25. We have done Love Yourself First, that was $17. Thankful, Grateful, Blessed, that's $23. Live Your Dream, that was $13. Good Vibe Only, that was $13. Never Give Up, that was $11. And today with the Start Now, that was $8. And I Can Do This, that was also $10. So those are the ones that we done today. So we are done with this challenge. And remember, March 6th is Ghana Independence Day, and also today our motivational message was count your blessings. How many blessings can you count now that we are watching me? Leave one of the blessings in the comment below, and I would love to hear from you guys. I told you, one blessing I always count is when I'm alive. So far as I'm alive, I'll count more blessings. So thanks for watching me today. So grateful to have you here. Thank you, and I'll see you in my tomorrow's video. Go and be grateful. Bye.